Alright, so in this video, I just want to show you, I've been playing a lot with reactive forms, Angular's reactive forms, and I've when I first started, I was like, wow, this is a lot of boilerplate code to get just a form working, but then I saw some of the interesting validation stuff and the messages, and some of the things you can do styling-wise. So I kind of want to just get reactive forms going on a screen and show you kind of some of the things that I find interesting. And so I just have at angular.io, got the reactive screen open, and then over here, not that, I've got an Angular CLI project, just blank. So the first thing we're going to do is in this documentation, we've got a link to Bootstrap 3. So this is just going to make it so it looks a little bit better. Oh wow, did I just somehow delete all my HTML? Oh wait, that is different HTML. So we actually want to put this at the web page level, so that's in the index file. I actually have it in here already, so you just paste that in there, that URL. Then in the app component, actually, okay, now first thing we have to do is actually get the reactive forms module into our if you want to throw your whole app in your parent app module, so you're gonna come in here, basically, wait, what the heck? First we need to import it. Import that. Then, sorry for making you dizzy. Okay, then put that in our imports. So now we can use reactive forms and specifically the form builder inside of our app. So in the, where are we at now? Now we're actually going to go to the class level. See, scroll, and we're going to use form builder. So there's a couple of different ways to do it, but form builder is awesome and fairly simple. It's got it actually has the validations that we need. Pretty easy. So I'm gonna grab this line, and this is basically just, one second. This is basically just getting us form builder, form group, validators, which is pretty cool. And let's see, so we have that. Now we need to, okay. So we're going to actually get the name of our form, and we're going to set it to the Angular form group. So we're not going to do hero form. Let's make a dog name entry system. Actually, for this, we're just going to have one input. So I'm going to say dog form. And we're just going to steal this. Actually, what we're going to do, private form builder, do that, and then we're gonna call this .create form function, and what that create form method is gonna do, we're just gonna copy this, and then I'll show you what's happening here. Okay. Actually, one more thing. This is dog form, and I have a little underscore. We're gonna remove this. Okay, so what's happening here is we've got our dog form, which is like the actual form level. Now these actually create form control instances, and form control instances are Angular's way of letting us bind to these input boxes. So we're gonna say dog. There's a dog name, and then this is gonna be if we want our first value to be spot. That's how we do that, and then this validator is required. And these validators are super powerful. You can create your custom validators. You can daisy chain validators. So really cool stuff there. Now inside of here, let's do some serious emit. I've been working on this, and wow, container row call md4. Form, wow, nope, get out of there. Form group, Yeah, form group. No, wait, is it? Oh, yeah. Boom. Form group with label, dog name, input, type. We're not going to do that. And then we're going to have name is going to be dog name. Here, we're actually not going to have value. We're going to say form control name. And that is going to bind that form control that we just created. We basically created an instance of an Angular form control in our class, and this is going to bind it to that. So now we should have reactive forms that says spot. But we've got an error here, so let's figure out what's going on. Oh yeah, I forgot. You need to have form, pretty much, form tag. So these still need to be in a form tag. And we're going to take a look at these errors. Angular's errors are not bad. Sometimes it's a pain and it sucks real hard to figure out what's going on. But we're just going to copy this. This seems pretty easy. Form group. This is actually dog form. So this is what we created as this line here, 11. Boom. Dog form. So that now should say spot, and it does not. Cannot find control with name dog name. That's annoying. Spot. Oh, I bet it's because I have this. It is late, and I'm very tired. But super into reactive forms, so I want to make this. So here, son of a biatch. Can't find control with name dog name. Oh, it's dog name actually. So that's this one. This can be spot because that's uppercase. Now it should work. Spot. Booyah. Okay. Here's actually, what the heck? Do we have any CSS in here? Class form control. Yeah, this should work. It's like, it looks like shit. All right, there we go. All right, I'm just going to do really quickly why I at least find these pretty cool, especially front end. I love CSS. So each input, Angular is adding these classes. So check this out: ng pristine, ng valid, ng touched. So ng valid, that's because the only validations we have on this, if we check over here, is validators.required. So it's required, so it is validated. Check this out. Boom. ng invalid. So now it's not passing our validators, that has invalid. So you want to create these awesome slick UIs. You think to yourself, how would I tell my user that this is not valid? And because we are freaking awesome, we're going to do border 1 pixel solid red. Because we are good stewardess of the web. Okay, check this out. Boom, 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 boom. Now it highlights red if it's not valid. One more thing I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to take a break and head to bed, is let's say we've got this button. Button, primary. Another validation is we can actually validate, click me, the validity of the whole form itself. So we've got these validations that actually want this out of here. Yeah, this is good. So let me just do it. You can say disabled, and we're going to disable this click button, this little submit button, if dog form is I think it's something like that. I don't know. We'll see. So valid. See, I know you can do this. I just don't like. I've been working on not inversing my logic. Valid. So this is gonna be disabled if it's valid. So now it's disabled. I thought it was invalid, but maybe I'm wrong. It's like not. Anyway, we're gonna inverse it. Valid. So if it is not valid, we're actually going to disable the button, so you are not allowed to click this form and save the dog name. Boom, disabled. Now you have a nice error. And also there's all sorts of cool stuff you can do with custom errors, styling. So, and I'm going to create more of these because reactive forms are freaking awesome.